Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Arctic Air Chill Zone. So I got this from Target on clearance for $9.29, so under $10 on clearance from Target. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this Arctic Air Chill Zone out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Arctic Air Chill Zone. Cool your space, quick and easy. And here's the presentation. Here's what the device looks like. Enjoy cool, chilled air anywhere. This has 3 speeds plus turbo. This is a lightweight design, and this is an energy efficient device. And this comes with a hydrogel, and this runs up to 8 hours per fill. And you can see the water tank on this Arctic Air Chill Zone device. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. Here on this side of the box, this features a whisper quiet design. You can change the 7 LED nightlight colors. Here are all the features that we just went over. And this is, as you can see below, this is ideal for living rooms, offices, the kitchen, and your vanity. And on the other side of the box, Arctic Air Chill Zone. Enjoy cool, chilled air anywhere. Discover the magic of hydro chill technology. Simply fill the device with water and enjoy cool, chilled air anywhere. The powerful personal space cooler uses dual cooling jets combined with an evaporative cooling cartridge that turns hot air into cool, refreshing air instantly. Embrace the cooling sensation of Arctic Air Chill Zone. And here's what the ideal device, how it would work. And here's on the back side, here you have your top fill water tank. That's where you fill it up. And here's what it includes inside the box. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this thing. Here's my trusty X-Acto knife. And let's go ahead and make an incision through the seals, which is basically taped together. And let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So Arctic Air Chill Zone, and the first thing that we see is this greeting: Arctic Air Chill Zone, congratulations, you're officially cooler for buying the Arctic Air Chill Zone. And let's go ahead and see what we have inside. So the first thing that you'll see once you open this up is the instruction manual for the Arctic Air Chill Zone. If I can actually take it out. Let's go ahead and put that to the side and see what we have further down. Here, this comes with a AC adapter, AC plug with a USB-C in connection. So I wonder if you can use any USB-C to connect this, to power this on. And here's the air cooler itself. So let's go ahead and lift this up out of the box and check this out. And yeah, so here's the Arctic Air Chill Zone cooler. I believe this only comes in one color, that is in white. The full price of this device is, I believe it's like $31, and it was marked down by 70% on clearance. Here's a closer look, and let's go ahead and take a look at the Chill Zone instructions before checking out the Chill Zone. So I've already went through the instructions, but for reference sake, here's what you need to know on what it's included, what each button functions and the usage of each buttons and how you would maintain it. And here's what you would do for the best results. Pretty cool, informative guide here. And here's just how you would replace it and how you would enhance it. And here you have this guide to not return to store and contact them instead. And here you have your QR code. You want to send them some feedback. So here's the Arctic Air Chill Zone. Here you can see the cartridge inside with the ventilations and the mist effect. Here you have the water tank, and here's the top side where you have your on button, your speed buttons, your turbo button, your chill button, and your LED night light button. So let's go ahead and remove the cartridge, and I believe you can replace it. You can soak it up in water and leave it in the freezer, and you can put it back in once you do that, and you can fill it up with ice water, and you can get the full effect of how cold you can get out of this device. So here's the fan. Here's where the USB-C cable would go, and the hot air would go through this fan and out through these vents. And yeah, so let's go ahead and power this on. So I have plugged in my AC adapter, and let's go ahead and connect this USB-C to the device, and let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. But before we turn it on, let's go ahead and fill this up with water. Filling up with water would soak and absorb the cartridge, and this is for demonstration purposes. I've been put the cartridge in the freezer while soaked, but you basically get the idea. So you don't want to fill it up too much, since there's a limit on the water tank. So there's a line on the water tank on how much you can fill, and this works for up to 8 hours. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And yeah, so that's what it sounds like while turned on. And to be honest with you, it's pretty loud, not as advertised on how it is a quiet whisper design. But you can see the jets, the mist that is coming out from these cooling jets. And you do not want to do what I am doing here, is just tilt the device at an angle where you can see the water spilling out. And yeah, so you can see you do not want to do what I do. Just like, you have to put it on a flat table. You cannot move it around like I just did, unless you want to clean up a mess. So here are the functions of each button. Here's your cooling. You can turn off the mist, and you can change the LED light colors. Let's go ahead and turn off the lights for a second. And yeah, so this would be a good night light for kids at night. And let's go ahead and turn it back on. And yeah, so I'm at the lowest setting. And unfortunately, this is louder than my Dyson fan cooler that I have in the corner. And yeah, so here's max speed, and here you can hear how loud this is. So unfortunately, it's not as advertised as a whisper quiet design, but it is what it is. And here you can see the jets, and you can always change the LED colors on this Arctic Air cool zone. Yeah, and yeah, so that's pretty much about it for this Arctic Air cooler. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. A huge like is very appreciative from you. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this Arctic Air chill zone cooler. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on his channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll definitely see you on the next one.